Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 29th of December 2023 and I'm going to be doing front testing a paper trading strategy on SPY where it's the open versus previous day close, and I'll explain this in the next slide. So the actual strategy is we buy SPY if the market opens higher than previous day close, sell if it opens lower than the previous day close. If the opening is the same as the previous day, then no trade, and we close all trades at the end of the day at the close price. And the transaction cost taken from IBKR is the $0.002 per share. And the underlying stock we're going to be trading here is SPY, of course. Notional amount we're going to be starting with is 1 million. And the first day of front testing is today, 29 December 2023. And in order to maintain a track record of this is the Excel sheet we're going to be using. So of course today's the 29th. This was the previous day close, yesterday's close. So what these values will change obviously as I input today's open and today's close, which is also the same as previous day's close. And then obviously I will be updating this weekly in order to generate alpha over SPY. So that is just an introduction to the strategy I will be testing. Front testing from now on, and will be another series on this channel. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and enjoy.